When considering site preparation options for reclamation sites, two techniques that warrant consideration are mixing and scalping. Mixing is a technique that involves a high-speed drum that mulches the organic layers and the mineral soil. When executed properly, mixing can control competing vegetation, increase soil temperature and aeration, decrease soil bulk density, improve soil-to-water relations, and potentially increase the availability of nutrients stored in organic layers. Mixing techniques are generally most effective when there is a low amount of competing vegetation on a site. If the levels of competing vegetation are high, mixing can further increase competition from weedy plants because it creates a nutrient-rich substrate. Ensuring that mixing completely mulches vegetation roots can help reduce the vigor of competing vegetation. When using a horizontal bed mixer, mixing is generally applied in patches, with mixing occurring in planned planting sites. When operating on drier sites where water is limited or where microsites are lacking, scalping can be a critical tool in the site preparation toolbox. Often in dry upland sites, a thick organic layer is present that can restrict seeds from coming into contact with a suitable microsite. Once a portion of the organic layer is removed and nutrient-rich microsites in the mineral soil are exposed, the chances of successful germination and establishment of target species are greatly increased. One consideration with scalping that can reduce its effectiveness is if the scalp is created too deep or too shallow. Too deep removes too much of the nutrient-rich organic horizons, which can inhibit seed germination and establishment. Short, irregular patterns are desired for best results. In summary, mixing is a technique that warrants consideration for reclamation activities. Its ability to help control competing vegetation, increase soil temperature and aeration, and improve nutrient availability on nutrient-poor sites is a key benefit of this site preparation technique. Alternatively, scalping is an efficient and effective technique on sites where water is limited, competition is high, or where thick organic layers restrict seed germination and establishment.